everyone, welcome back to our channel. In case you're new around here, I'm Vanessa.
I'm Richie.
And we're Richie and Vanessa Travel. And today we are bringing you along for a local experience. It's something I'm very excited about, and maybe you can tell by my shirt what it is.
You can tell. No.
It is the Friends Experience, the one near Long Beach. So we're gonna go check it out and show you guys what it's all about. Let's go.
Thank you. And then you guys will show your tickets right here.
Thank you.
Welcome. My name is Jim. This is the Perk Experience near Long Beach. Thank you all for coming in.
Top to put your feet on, and then we're going to push from the bottom.
Pivot.
Here we go. Pivot. 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 Pivot.
I've only seen very few episodes, so I have no idea what's happening right now.
I've seen every single episode, so I'm super excited. So far we have been walking around the event for, I would say, about 30 minutes.
Richie and Vanessa Experience.
They have a ton of memorabilia here from them and tons of photo ops, so it's really cool. Yeah, so we're just going to keep walking around and showing you guys what else there's to see.
What is this?
Ugly naked guy.
The ugly naked guy?
Yeah. One day the activist said, so they put all the chocolates.
Oh. we just exited.
The Friends Experience.
It was
the
cool.
one near Long Beach. It was cool. It's a little short. I
Yeah.
thought it was a little short. I would have liked to see more like interactive stuff, but what I did appreciate was they had a ton of photo ops. Like pretty much everything was a photo op, I should say. Yeah, it was fun. I liked it.
Price was probably a little bit steep.
It was a little steep. It wasn't much. It was, how much was it? Like $40 a person?
40 or 49 a person, I can't remember.
Might have been $49 a person. For what it is,
It's cool.
it was a little overpriced. I
Yeah.
think $30
Yeah.
would have been more
If you
appropriate.
got, we probably could have checked on like Groupon or something. Maybe there would have been a deal.
Maybe.
So if you can get this on some kind of like discount or deal or something, then it would definitely be worth it.
Yeah. But we had fun. All of the staff were super nice and friendly and willing to take your picture with both their cameras so that you can buy the picture, as well as with your own phone or with your own camera so that you don't have to buy the pictures.
Yeah.
So that was actually really cool. I appreciated
I think they
that.
said it was $35 for all pictures plus digital copies, I think I read on
Okay.
there. And then they had some different tiers, like one of them was 20 for one choice of one digital photo, and then 25 and you get multiple choices, I think it was.
I didn't see the prices, but Richie did. And then of course they have a gift shop. I did buy a Central Perk mug. But yeah, that was it. So final thoughts is if you can get the tickets at a discounted price, do it. If not, and you're a huge Friends fan, go
Yeah,
for
you're
it.
probably gonna wanna do it anyways.
Yeah, you're probably gonna want to do it anyway. Just know that it is pretty short.
Yeah.
You'll probably go through the whole thing in about 45 minutes, if that. So, yeah. But other than that, I had fun. I had a good time.
Yeah, it was cool.
Yeah.
I had no idea what was going on half the time, but it's cool. I've only seen a few episodes of Friends, so
So yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend that might
or
enjoy it.
friends.
That might enjoy it. And we will see you on the next one. Bye guys.
Bye.